Hi guys, in today's Procreate Basics video, I'm going to show you 3 different ways you can create a perfect circle in Procreate. I would love for you to follow along because I think the best way to learn is by following along. So the first thing I'm going to do is create a new canvas. I'm going with screen size for this demo. And I have selected the calligraphy brush, the monoline brush in the calligraphy set in Procreate. This is a default Procreate brush, so you should have it. And it's just a great pencil to make straight lines and circles with. And I have selected black for this demo. You can pick any color that you like. All right, so the first thing is just creating simple, perfect circles. When you create a circle like this, obviously it's not perfect. There's just a little thing that you need to do before you lift your pencil off the screen. So create your circle and don't lift your pencil off the screen. So do you see it's created a shape? This is the ellipse, and you'll see up here it says edit shape. You can tap on that and you can tap on circle, and that will create a perfect circle for you. Now, there is a faster way to do this, and for this you'll need both your hands. So make the circle and then hold it. It's still an ellipse, but if you want it to become a perfect circle, just press one finger on the screen and it will be a perfect circle. And just move your pencil. You can make it smaller, bigger, any shape. Just make sure you press your finger on the screen, it will become perfect. So that's the faster way to make a perfect circle. I'm going to show you a different way to make perfect circles that are filled. And this is a fast way to make perfect circles if you need to make a lot of them. So what we're going to do is we're going to change the monoline brush for this. So let's go to our brushes, go to the monoline. I don't want to change the original one. I want to make a duplicate of this first. So swipe to the left and tap on duplicate, and then go to the brush. And there's 2 changes we're going to make here. There's a lot of different things in the brush studio. Don't get overwhelmed. Just 2 different things that we're going to change. So the first thing we're going to do is the spacing. We're going to increase the spacing to max, and then we're going to go to properties, and we're going to change the brush size to, let's say, roughly around 300. It doesn't need to be exact. And then tap on done. So now if you want to make a perfectly filled circle, all you have to do is tap. And you can change the size as well, just by changing the size of your brush, and make lots of little perfect circles. So if you need to make a lot of circles quickly, this tapping method is a lot easier. The other thing that this brush can do is create somewhat of a confetti effect. So if you need to have lots of scattered perfect circles on the screen, you can definitely do that with this brush. I'm going to select a different color, maybe purple, and just move the pencil across the screen. And now I have lots of perfect circles scattered about. Now I'm going to select maybe a yellow. And you can have a lot of fun with this brush. Create that interesting effect. So when you need to create a lot of perfect circles, scattered perfect circles, don't tap the brush, just move it across the screen. I hope this video was helpful, and I hope you can use some of these tricks in your new illustrations. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. See you in the next video. Bye!